Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to apply coupon code in OttPlay. OTT Play. Firstly, sign up for a Cashly account or a OTT Play. So this will allow you to track and activate any available coupon codes for OTT Play. Once logged into your Cashly account, search for OTT Play in the listed retailers or deals section. Browse through the available OTT Play discount codes and select the one that matches your membership duration, like monthly, yearly, etc. Copy the OTT Play coupon code by clicking on it. Once copied, hit the Activate Deal button to unlock this offer. Launch the OTT Play app or visit their website on your browser. Enter your phone number or email to sign up and log into your OTT Play account, then select the subscription plan you want to choose. Select your preferred payment method, and after applying the coupon, finalize your transaction to enjoy the savings and unlock endless entertainment with OTT Play.